Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most respected integrated amplifiers in its class, the Yamaha A S801BL Natural Sound Integrated Stereo Amplifier. Before we jump in, make sure to check the link below to get this at the best price today. The AS801BL is designed for serious music lovers who want high-fidelity sound with modern digital flexibility. It combines Yamaha's long-standing natural sound philosophy with clean design, robust power, and smart connectivity. Whether you're building a dedicated 2-channel setup or upgrading your listening experience, this amp delivers detailed, immersive performance. At its core, the AS801BL pushes out 100 watts per channel at 8 ohms, which is more than enough to drive even demanding speakers with ease. It delivers dynamic, open sound across all frequencies: tight bass, clear mids, and smooth highs, all without distortion, even at higher volumes. A standout feature here is the built-in 32-bit S-Saver DAC, which makes digital audio shine. You can connect directly via USB from your PC or Mac, and it supports high-resolution formats up to 384 kHz 32-bit PCM and 11.2 MHz DSD. That means you get exceptional clarity and separation from digital music files, far beyond what most analog-only amps can offer. The AS801BL also includes optical and coaxial digital inputs, making it easy to hook up your TV, media player, or gaming console. These inputs go straight through the high-end DAC, so even your digital content sounds full and refined. For analog sources, there are plenty of inputs including CD, tuner, line, and phono, so vinyl lovers are covered with a quality phono stage built right in. It also has dual speaker terminals for A/B switching, letting you run 2 zones or switch between different speaker sets. There's a pure direct mode, which bypasses the tone, balance, and loudness circuits for the cleanest path from source to output. It's ideal for critical listening sessions when you want the purest reproduction of your music. Another thoughtful feature is Yamaha's top art chassis design, which keeps left and right channels physically and electrically separate to reduce interference. Combine that with solid construction, high-grade components, and anti-resonance design, and you get a setup that's both quiet and powerful. The look is classic and refined. The brushed aluminum front panel, solid knobs, and simple layout make the AS801BL feel high-end without being flashy. It blends well in any setup, from vintage hi-fi racks to modern minimalist systems. In day-to-day use, it's reliable, easy to operate, and sounds incredible across genres, whether you're playing digital high-res files, spinning vinyl, or watching a film through your TV. So if you're looking for a true audiophile-grade integrated amp with digital versatility, excellent power, and Yamaha's legendary sound quality, the AS801BL is a standout choice in its price class. Make sure to check the link below to grab the Yamaha AS801BL at the best price today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.